Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. After the rain, Timo looks up and sees a bright rainbow stretching across the sky. He watches as its colors glow vividly against the soft gray clouds. The sunlight begins to shift and the sky slowly brightens. A new word becomes important. Ephemeral. Ephemeral means lasting for a very short time. Timo realizes the rainbow will not stay long. He stands still, watching quietly and taking in the view. The colors slowly begin to fade as the light changes. Soon, Timo sees only a clear blue sky where the rainbow once shone. Timo remembers that ephemeral moments are brief, and appreciating them while they last makes them meaningful.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.